Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check interest rates on CoinRabbit. If you're using the CoinRabbit, checking the interest rate before taking a loan is very important. The platform actually shows the interest automatically while you choose a loan, so you do not need to search for it separately. So first, in order to do that, open any of the web browser you prefer. In the top there's an address bar, type down coinrabbit.io and enter it. And over here you need to log in, and if you already have done so, then after you're done you can go to this my wallet here, and under this you can also choose the crypto you want to use like BTC or ETH. As soon as you select it, the calculator updates it automatically. Over here on the left hand side we can find this loans as well. Under this collateral you can simply select any of the crypto assets that you want to put, and you can also select the collateral amount, and you can select the loan over here as well. And when you do this, CoinRabbit will automatically show the interest rate, total repayment amount, loan to value, and you can check the final rate before confirming over here as well. And after that you can select this get loan, and before continue you see the exact interest you will pay clearly displayed on the screen, and you do not need to create a loan first. You can just test different amounts to compare rates over here, and the interest rate will change instantly, so you can choose the cheapest option before taking the loan. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.